Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Angel's Pizza franchise business idea. What if I told you this pizza brand is quietly dominating the Philippines and you could own a branch starting this year? In this video, we reveal how much it really costs to franchise Angel's Pizza, the step-by-step process, and whether it's still a smart investment in 2025. And hey, if you're serious about making money through franchising, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Founded in 2009, Angel's Pizza has swiftly expanded its presence across the Philippines. As of recent reports, the company operates over 50 outlets nationwide, comprising both company-owned and franchisee-owned stores. This growth reflects the brand's increasing popularity and market acceptance. For the product menu, Angel's Pizza offers a diverse menu that caters to various tastes. Some of their popular offerings include pizza with the flavors creamy spinach sushi bake, creamy garlic, and 5 cheese, Angel Supreme, buffalo chicken, and all-meat Texas barbecue. For the pasta dishes, they offer classic spaghetti, carbonara, cheesy lasagna, and mac and cheese. For the side items and desserts, they offer chicken wings, garlic bread, tiramisu, and fruit salad. For the franchise fee, the franchise fee for Angel's Pizza outlet is worth 4 million pesos plus VAT. This fee grants franchisees the license to operate under the Angel's Pizza brand and access its established business model. For the franchise packages, the business model is full store. The total estimated investment is worth 19 million pesos to 20 million pesos. 8 years is the franchise term and renewable in every 4 years. For the fees, they have royalty fee, 5% of the gross sales per month. For the national marketing, 2% of gross sales per month. Local marketing, 1% of gross sales per month. And security deposit of 1 million pesos. Renewal fee is 40% of current franchise fee. For the space requirement, 120 to 150 square meters owned or leased, minimum of 5-year lease. For the franchise investment package composition, number 1, franchise fee. Number 2, site assessment. Number 3, store design. Number 4, store interior renovation. Number 5, store equipment, tools, wares and furniture projects. Management fee, training of initial store team. Number 6, deployment of an operations support group. Number 7, full set of store operations manual and marketing point of sale materials. Number 8, initial stocks. And number 9, initial budget for staff uniform. For the franchise inclusions, franchisees benefit from comprehensive support including pre-opening support, license to use Angel's Pizza's trademark, name and logo, site selection and evaluation assistance, turnkey franchise package, operations manual, and comprehensive training in food and restaurant operations. For the continuing support, regular field visits and business monitoring, refresher training course, ongoing research and development of products. For the marketing support, assistance during grand opening and national and local marketing support. For the benefits of franchising, partnering with Angel's Pizza offers several advantages. Number 1, established brand recognition, benefit from a well-known and trusted brand in the Philippine market. Number 2, comprehensive support, receive extensive training and ongoing assistance to ensure smooth operations. Number 3, diverse revenue streams, capitalize on multiple income channels including dine-in, take-out, and delivery services. Number 4, proven business model, operate under a system that has demonstrated success across various locations. For the franchise process, Step 1, submission of requirements. Franchise applicant must upload the following to a Google Drive link and send it. Letter A, letter of intent. Letter B, completed pre-qualification form provided by the franchisor. Letter C, 2 valid IDs. Letter D, applicant's resume with 4 references. Letter E, resume of designated manager with 4 references. Letter F, for existing businesses, past 3 years AFS and GIS. Letter G, for new entities, AFS and GIS of main business. Letter H, if none of the above, bank certificate showing quarterly balances for past 3 years. Incomplete submissions will not proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Panel interview. Franchisor to schedule an interview with the applicant and management may occur at any stage. Step 3. Site submission. Applicant must provide vicinity map of the proposed site, Google Maps link, site photos with various angles, and proof of ownership. Site must be applicant-owned. Step 4. Site evaluation. Business development team to conduct site visit and discuss franchise package and commercial terms. Step 5. Site approval. The team presents financial analysis and proposed site for final approval by Angel Pizza Management Panel. Step 6. Contract review. The franchisor provides draft franchise agreement, commercial terms, financial analysis, store opening list, payment schedule, and applicant submits required government IDs. Step 7. Contract signing and payment. Application does not guarantee location or approval. Franchisor may stop the process at any time. Payments made will be refunded if the application is denied. Above terms, figures, and steps may change anytime without prior notice. For the contact information, for further inquiries and detailed information, reach out through the following channels. You can visit their website at angelspizza.com.ph. You can send them an email at franchise@figarocoffee.com. You can call them at 02922-2222. You can visit their Facebook and Instagram page at angelspizza.ph. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What is the average ROI for this business concept? Answer. On average, 3 to 7 years, depending on sales and how well the franchisee manage his or her store. Exceptional stores with exceptional management can ROI in a shorter period. ROI period is not guaranteed. Question number 2. Can a franchise applicant request for discounts in the above stated fees or investment? They do not offer discounts or special consideration for all fees. Question number 3. Do you offer payment terms to cover the initial investment? The franchise fee and security deposit must be paid in full through bank transfer or manager's check upon signing of the franchise contract. Question number 4. Can we get our own contractor to work on the store construction? Answer. Yes, but the contractor has to be accredited by the franchisor and the store design must be followed and will be coming from the franchisor as well. Question number 5. How much capital do I really need for a full store? They recommend potential franchise applicants to have a total capital of 19 to 25 million because aside from the initial investment or franchise fee, security deposit, it is important to have adequate working capital to pay employees, pay fees, purchase stocks, pay rent, and other operating expenses. Question number 6. What is the security deposit for? Answer. The security deposit will be refunded back to the franchisee upon end of contract in full or with deductions. It is for the franchisor security and subject to deduction for any unpaid lawful collectibles the franchisor may incur from the franchisee. That's it. What are you waiting for? Start your business with an Angel's Pizza franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.